Start with the main exercise, multiple choice in section B, which I have already covered in the theory part of the explanation. Here we'll start with the section C. First question. The probability distribution of the random variable x is as follow, where the x is given and p of x is given. But in p of x you can see 0.2, 0.3, 4, c and c. Now determine the value of constant c. Now the value of c has to be find out. For this we'll take sigma p of x equals to 1. Sigma p of x means the total of this. So we'll take it 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 4c plus c equals to 1. 0.2 plus 0.5, which is only a number, so we'll take it as a 0.5. 4c plus c, it becomes 5c equals to 1. Now as this is the number, we can take it other side, that is 1. यहाँ पे ये पॉजिटिव आंसर है, इक्वल्स टू के पीछे चला जाएगा तो ये नेगेटिव आंसर में हो जाएगा. If you get them subtract, you will get 0.5. So c equals to 0.5. The 5 will come in the denominator. If you calculate, you will get 0.1. So here we got the value of constant c. Moving to the next question. Second question. Calculate mean of the discrete probability distribution where p of x equation is given, where x value has to be kept 2 and 3. Then one more p of x is given, which is 1 upon 2, where the x value will be 4. So out of the x value, here you can see the random variable I already put in the tabular form, where I put the x value 2, 3 and 4. For p of x, we'll solve this equation. That is, p of x is equals to x minus 1 upon 6, where the x value first will take 2, then will take 3. तो पहले x की value 2 करके रख लेते हैं, 2 minus 1 upon 6, which is 1 upon 6. और कुछ कट नहीं होगा. Next time we'll take the x value 3. 3 minus 1 upon 6, that is 2 upon 6. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So here we got the answer 1 upon 3. Next value is p of 4, but the equation is given 1 upon 2, where we don't have any x. तो x के ऊपर कोई value हम रख ही नहीं सकते, तो we'll keep it as it is. So let's take all the value. For p of 2, we'll write down 1 upon 6. For p of 3, we'll write down 1 upon 3. And for p of 4, we'll write down 1 upon 2. Now here we need to get total sigma p of x, and it should be 1. So here you can see the denominator is totally different in each equation. So let's take all of them together. We'll take it as sigma p of x equals to 1, where I will take all this value. That is 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 equals to 1. Now here we can take the LCM, where we can see the 6 is the table. 6 is the number which goes in each and every table. 6 ones are 6, 3 twos are 6 and 2 threes are 6. Get multiply with the numerator. 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3 equals to 1. So here we can see 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is 6 upon 6. So here the equation is correct. Moving to the next. The question is asked you to find out mean. That means here we'll multiply x into p of x. That is, these two columns will get multiplied. But before that, let's take all the denominator in the equal. As we already took the common number 6, तो यहाँ पर भी हम 6 ही ले लेते हैं. That is, what should we multiply to get the denominator 6? तो obviously 3 twos are will be 6. जितना जो नंबर आपने नीचे रखा वही ऊपर रख दो. तो 2 ones are 2. Same here. Again we need a denominator 6. 2 से क्या multiply करें जिससे 6 मिलेगा? तो obviously 3. जो नंबर नीचे वही ऊपर. तो 1 3s are 3 and 2 3s are 6. So here we get all the denominator equal. Now we can multiply directly here. 1 2s are 2 upon 6. Now don't get confused. ये जो सारे नंबर्स है वो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं ये कॉलम से. 2 3s are, that is 6 upon 6. 3 4s are 12 upon 6. So this will be easy for us to get it total, as we have all the denominators same. देखो यहाँ पर सारे denominators is 6. Then 2 plus 6 plus 12, it would be 20. Here therefore mean, that is sigma x to p of x, here we got 20 upon 6, which will get cut. 2 3s are 2 tens are. So here we got the answer 10 upon 3. Next, the probability distribution of the random variable is as follow. P of x, where the equation is given and x value is -2, 1 and 2. Here you can see I already kept in the tabular form. Hence calculate sigma. This is the variance we remember. If you remember, for the variance we used to find out. So this has to be solved. Okay, and for this first of all we need P of x. तो P of x का इक्वेशन तो रेडी है, हम यहाँ से ही सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. दैट P of x is equals to x plus 3 upon 10. Now we'll keep the value of x as -2. तो -2 plus 3 upon 10. If you get them calculate, it is 1 upon 10. Next value is 1. तो this time x का value हम 1 करके रखेंगे. तो 1 plus 3 it is 4 upon 10. Then the next value is 2. That is 2 plus 3 upon 10. It comes 5 upon 10. So let's keep the value in P of x. For -2 we got 1 upon 10. For 1 we got 4 upon 10. And for 2 we got 5 upon 10. Now for finding mean, we'll get it multiplied. 1 multiplied by -2, it is -2 upon 10. 4 into 1, 4 upon 10. 5 2s are 10 upon 10. Now before that, here I forgot one step, that it should be equal. See, the denominator is 10, but 5 plus 4 plus 1, it is 10. So 10 out of 10, it would be 1. So the question is not ask you the mean, it asks about this. So this column will get multiplied with here. That is minus will convert into plus, but 2 2s are, it is 4 upon 10. 4 1s are again 4 upon 10. 10 2s are, it is 20 upon 10. So if we get it total, the denominator is 10, but numerator is 4 plus 20, it is 28. So therefore, hence sigma square obtained is 2.8. If you get it divide, you will get, okay, well I'll do this. 28 divided by 10, if you divide it, you will get 2.8. And that's what the answer. Moving to the next. Question number 4. If n equals to 4 for a symmetric binomial distribution, then find P of 4. जब P of 4 करके दिया है, मतलब 4 means हमारी x की वैल्यू है, और symmetric बोले तो probability of success is 1 upon equals to 1 upon 2, and n is 4, where x is given 4, and now we need to find is q. That is probability of failure, which is 1 minus p. 1 minus p value is 1 upon 2. If you remove the LCM of this, you will again get 1 upon 2. So now we can put the formula for this. That is p of x, nc x, p raise x, q n minus x. So n is 4 out of 4, multiply probability of success is again raise 4, 1 upon 2. That is 4 minus 4. If you remove the calculation of this, obviously it is 1. If you remove it, calculation of this, if you remove the multiplication of 2 4 times, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So it is 1 upon 16. 4 minus 4, it is 0. So obviously the calculation will come as 1. Here the answer is 1 upon 16. Moving to the next. Number 5 is your Bernoulli trials, which I have already given you in the theory part. Let's move to the 6th. For the binomial distribution, if probability of success is double the probability of failure, means यहाँ पे probability of success, just check, probability of success we denote as a P, is double of probability of failure. मतलब P is equals to double of failure, and n is equals to 4. And what they ask you to find out, variance. Variance मतलब NPQ. So here I am writing variance equals to NPQ. So that's what have been told you to find. So out of this, let's keep the equation. सबसे पहले इसे ले लेते हैं, probability of success, which is 2Q. Now for solving this calculation, let's keep P as it is 2. Q का formula क्या है? 1 minus P. Where 2 will get multiplied, 2 1s are 2. 2 into P, that is 2P. Now let's take this 2P over here. यहाँ पे माइनस से अगर इक्वल्स टू के ये साइड आ जाएगा तो प्लस 2p इक्वल्स टू 2 विच बिकम्स 3p इक्वल्स टू 2. देयरफॉर द p वैल्यू विल बी 2, डिनोमिनेटर में चला जाएगा 3. ये हमें मिल गया p का वैल्यू. In the same way we can find out q value, that is 1 minus p. We already got the value of p, that is 2 upon 3. बीच में माइनस का साइन है तो हम LCM लेंगे. कॉमन नंबर 3 रहेगा, which will go 3s and 1s. 3 1s 3, 1 2s 2. 3 minus 2, it is 1 upon 3. So here we got q का value and n value which is already given in the question. Now what has been asked to find out? That is variance, and that is n p q. N value which is given in the question is 4, p value is 2 upon 3, q value is 1 upon 3. 4 2s are 8 and 3 3s are 9. That's what the answer. Next, question number 7. Find the standard deviation of the binomial having n equals to 8 and probability of failure is 2 upon 3. Now, to find the standard deviation, if you remember what is the formula, that is n p q and p is under root. So here n value is already given, that is 8. Probability of failure, that is q. Q value is already given. So let me write down here that n value is 8, q value is 2 upon 3. Here the missing value is p. To find out p, we can take it, that is 1 minus q. 1, don't get confused with this, it is what I've shown you the first. That's what the formula. If you need to find out q, we do 1 and change the place of p by putting it subtraction. Same way, if you want to find out p, that time the 1 will be as it is. If q is going on the other side, it would get formula like this, 1 minus q, and that's what the value, that's what the formula I used here. So 1 minus q is 2 upon 3. So if you remove LCM of this, again the common number will be 3. 3s are and 1s are. 3 1s are 3 and 1 2s are 2. 3 minus 2, it is 1 upon 3. So here we get all the value. So let's skip. Here n value is 8. P value just now we found, that is 1 upon 3, and q value what? That's what the given in the question. So here 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. And if you remove the root of this is the under root of 4 and this will be 9. That's what the answer. Next, question number 8. Find the parameter of the binomial distribution where mean is equals to 4 and variance is equal to 2. Now when they talk about parameter, that is n and p, that's what we have to find out. Where the equation is given mean is 4 and variance is 2, that means np is equals to 4 and variance, that is npq, is equals to 2. Whenever the situation given like this, always take variance first to find out the calculation. npq is equals to 2, where np value is already given in the form of mean. जहाँ पे np की जगह पे हम 4 रख लेंगे और q की जगह पे इसका formula, that is 1 minus pp, sorry it's not q, 1 minus p equals to 2. 4 1s are, it is 4 and 4 into p, that is minus 4p equals to 2. अब इन दोनों की जगह हम स्वाइप कर सकते हैं, 2 को इधर लेकर आ सकते हैं और 4p को उधर, ताकि दो नंबर्स गेट सब्सट्रैक्टेड. तो 4 minus 2, it is 2 equals to 4p. 2 4 डिनोमिनेटर में चला जाएगा p. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, therefore p equals to 1 upon 2. So here we found the value of p, that is 1 upon 2, and the question is asked to find out n and p. So next is we need to find out is n. So we can keep this mean np equals to 4 as p का वैल्यू हमें ऑलरेडी मिल गया, that is 1 upon 2 into equals to 4. Now to get multiply with 4 and there is 2 4s are, sorry 4 into 2, and if 1 get multiply with n also, it will remain n, and 4 2s are 8. So that's how we got the value of p and n. Next question. For a binomial distribution with n equals to 10 and q minus p is equals to 0.6, find the mean of this distribution. Now here they ask you to find out mean. Mean means np ढूंढना है. हमें जो दिया है क्वेश्चन में n is already given. The equation is given, that is q minus p equals to q minus p equals to 0.6. Now out of this we can convert q into the formula, that is 1 minus p, that is the formula of q, and this p is as it is, and 0.6. This minus will convert into plus, so it would be minus 2p equals to 0.6. Now again this 2 value can be get converted. Never take in minus, क्योंकि हमें p का ही वैल्यू ढूंढना है, तो हम इसको इक्वल्स टू के वो साइड ले जाएंगे तो ये माइनस से प्लस हो जाएगा. सो विल टेक दिस ओवर हियर एज अ 2p एंड 0.6 को अगर इक्वल्स टू के ये साइड लेकर आएंगे तो वो सब्सट्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. सो आई सेड कि स्वाइप कर लेते हैं जगह. तो 1 minus 0.6 it would be 0.4 equals to 2p. Now 0.4 will keep as it is, 2 will go in the denominator, that will be the value of p. If you cut it, it would be 0.2. That's what the value of p, that is 0.2. And what question is asked you to find out NP, that is mean, which is NP. So n value is already given in the question, that is 10, and p just now we found, that is 0.2. If you get it multiply, the mean is 2. That's what the answer. Next, question number 10. For the binomial distribution, standard deviation is 0.8 and probability of failure is 2 upon 3. Find the mean of the distribution. Again they are asking to find out mean, that is NP. And what they have given, the standard deviation which is given, that is NPQ, which is equals to 0.8. That's what we have given. And probability of failure means the equation is given is Q is 2 upon 3. Now out of this, let's take the solution. For under root NPQ equals to 0.8, if we transfer root on 0.8, it would be 0.64. Now NP will keep as it is and we can keep the value of Q. यहाँ पे सिर्फ Q का value हम रख लेते हैं, that is 2 upon 3, which is 0.64. Now NP will remain as it is, multiplied by 2 equals to 0.64. This 3 will get multiplied with 0.64. This will be 2 and P equals to, this would be 1.92. Keep NP as it is, 1.92, divide with 2. Here you will get answer 0.96, and that's what the value of mean. Here we complete exercise section C. We'll move to the section D.